Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and today's video we are going to discuss is blank and coalesce. Let's start. Okay, so what we are going to do is here, let's take customer. First of all, we'll take customer ID and then we'll take couple of MTD images. We already have created MTD and prior MTD. So I'm going to take MTD. So MTD sales, and you see certain, let's sort it here, and you can see some data points out here, and then we take, and now you can see that these data points have null values. So whenever they have the null values, they will not appear. Means if I want to see if I don't have LMTD, I'll not see 92. So if I remove LMTD, I'll not see 92. Okay, but when I have it, I'm able to see. Now to do this, let's create a measure and let's see how can we have zero values. How can these functions can help us. So let's try it out. So let's have it, the first measure, and then we keep on changing this measure. We call MTD plus 0, and then we say okay, the first thing we can do is very simple, and all of these what we are going to do is going to create left join and going to give us all the values. So I say MTD plus 0, and I'm going to add this MTD plus 0 out here, and you will see that all those values which are not appearing, even those whether it has LMTD value or not, they are now started appearing as 0 0 0 0 0. And let's see if there is some MTD value, we are going to get that value. Okay, so this value is same. Now this can also be done using coalesce. And you will see same result, no differences, same result has come. And now let's try is blank. Now in case of is blank, what we have to do, if is blank, this one, if it is blank, then we have to say 0, otherwise we have to take the value. Okay, so MTD sales. And we see again the same results, again the same values are coming. Now this is blank is much more powerful than the way we are using. We can actually flip the results. So now using is blank, we can flip the results. So now plus 0 or coalesce or is blank is allowing us to have the 0 value added, and it's creating kind of a left join, but is blank power is much more than that. So what I'm going to do next is we're going to flip the value. So what we are trying to find out now, the customer who has not purchased in this month, they might have purchased in the past somewhere, but they have not purchased right now in this month. Okay, so if it is blank, then we want to give 1, otherwise we want to give blank. Okay, so now these are the customers which has not purchased in this month, and what you are going to see is, and let's remove LMTD right now. We don't need this in reference. So you see this value 1101 1000102 is coming, and it is coming blank. So if I remove now MTD from this context, now I will no more get that particular value. So it means if I need to get a list of customers who have not purchased from me this month, then I can use is blank, reverse the behavior. Now I'm not giving any other measure out here because he is not purchased, so there is no value available. So instead of that, we are giving 1, or we can give customer name depending on the need, and we are saying if there is a value, make it blank. So we have reversed the behavior. So in that case, it is pretty powerful and you can use it. Now the other use case for this one is the when you can try out the customer retention, where you can say, am I able to retain my customer who has come in this duration but not came this month? They came last month but they not came this month. So we can say okay, LMTD should not be blank, but this is blank. So when, okay, so is blank MTD sale, and not is blank LMTD sales. Okay, so last month's sales should not be blank, but this month's sales should be blank. Then it is 1, else 0. Okay, I think we have closed one less bracket. Now we should be fine. We have closed the parenthesis. Now this is going to give us a different result. Now to understand this result, we need LMTD also. Fine. So you see now that wherever LMTD is there, it is having 1. And what does 1 also mean is, okay, so see, we have MTD, then it's blank. So MTD, what we are saying is MTD is blank and LMTD is not blank. So here MTD is blank and LMTD is not blank. Okay, so it doesn't came this month but came last month. Now this came this month, so false. Okay, now both the month they came. Now this is retained customer, both is not blank, not is blank, not is blank. Okay, so now this kind of retention kind of stuff, it is pretty useful. Go and try use that out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover into the tutorial series. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thank you.